Do you know that you will not make any money online unless you do these three things? Get into the right niche, pick the right product, get your product in front of potential clients. A niche refers to that category of products that you decide to promote. So you have to make sure you go into a niche that has demand, that has clients that are ready to pay. And these three niches really kill it. One, the health niche, exercise, diet, workouts. Those are very good niches to go to. Relationship niches. I mean, who doesn't want to be in love? Who doesn't want a relationship? That's also a very good niche. Is wealth. Things to do with make money online, making business, finance. Those are good niches. Okay? Get your product to the potential users. So if you want a free course to teach you to do the three things, pick the niche or go into a niche that is already profitable. 2, give you a product for you to promote. In fact, it's not a product. Give you 15 products to promote and also teach you how to promote that product in order for you to make money right now. What you'll have to do, you'll have to do 2 things. Follow and then comment, share. And I'll be able to send you this link to the product free of charge.